Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. As many of you already know, I recently traveled to India after a very long time. This trip was not as much fun as it used to be, however, I managed to capture few of the best moments that I spent in India. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So, friends, we reached Pune. I love Pune because of its food, culture, and the language. As soon as we reached Pune, the first thing we did was grab a plate of poha and chai. This is one of the best combination, and we always miss having it. I could not visit shopping streets or shopping mall, but I visited local shops which had lots of colorful vegetables, groceries, and fruits. I totally miss the fresh vegetable aroma in the streets. So, friends, it is afternoon time and we came to one of the good restaurants nearby. Luckily, there are only few people in the restaurants and the ambience is really good. There were so many vegetable options in here, and I was thinking to order everything in my plate, but I just ended up ordering gobi manchuri, dal, bhendi, tandoori roti, and some vegetables. I had to finish one of the bank work in Pune. I was surprised by the amount of quickness and the responsibility they are taking. I'm so glad that the work is completed within the set time. Since all my work is now done, it's time to relax, have a cup of tea, and also have my dinner. I ordered for Hyderabadi Irani chai and it was very nice. I couldn't resist and I had 2 cups. Just roaming around the street and finding the good restaurant to have my dinner. So look at this beautiful flower arrangements nearby the restaurant. Again I had some dal, roti and sabji. Now it's time to have some pan. When I'm in India, I will not miss to have pan. Sweet pan is my favorite. Let me know what's your favorite pan. While you're watching how the pan is made, I would also like to convey one thing. Even though I'm visiting all these places, I'm maintaining social distance and also I'm wearing mask. Also, I had pre-COVID test which was negative. See the colorful pan. There are lots of gulkan, cherry and sweets. So I'm loving it. The next and the final destination is my hometown, which is in the Western Ghats. This area is completely surrounded with thick green forest, temples, waterfalls, and wild animals. So, friends, I reached my hometown. You can see how much green this place is. I spend most of my time in green side, just by visiting the farm, visiting the kettles, eating lot of homemade food, and also roaming around the place. I'm glad that a place I live in Scotland is as beautiful and as green as my hometown. So friends, this was one of the favorite thing to do in my childhood. This is the touch me not plant. Whenever it's shaken or just touched by hand, the leaves are folding inwards. This is to protect the leaves from any harm. So it is like very fun activity to touch this and see the leaves are folding inwards. I actually enjoy doing all these small activities. Especially in our area, there is a culture of planting lots of flower and vegetable plants wherever the empty places are there. So I spent lot of time in mom's garden where she planted lots of rose, jasmine and other colorful flowers. Friends, in village along with cat and dog, we also have cattle and calf. She is just 3 months old. She is very naughty and she is very attentive. Friends, I am now going to show you the farm. This farm mainly has all the betel nut, coconut, banana plants and the peppercorn climbers. Now the climbers that you are seeing are from black peppercorn climbers. All these pods you are seeing are the fresh ones and they are not yet ripened. They are green in color and they are very thick. These are all banana plantation. You can see how thick and beautiful they have grown. We will use almost all parts of banana plant. Before the banana is ripened, we will make the curry. When it is ripened, we will eat it as fruit. Banana leaves are used for eating, and banana stems are used for making a lot of threads. We visited one of our nearby waterfalls with our family. It was very relaxing and refreshing. My cousin is actually playing some game with this stone in the water. He's just throwing one stone, but it is making a lot of ripples at one stretch. Isn't it interesting? Please let me know in the comment box below. This place is very much local. This place is not known to many people, or it is not famous at all. This is inside very thick forest. This is beautiful as well as dangerous. This is surrounded by a lot of heavy stones and very fresh and cold water here. To reach this place, we spend at least half an hour just by passing all the surrounding places by walk. It's really one of the best time investment that I made in this holiday. If you're in lockdown and if you're not able to visit any malls or city or public places, if you're nearby any of these waterfalls or forest, please don't miss visiting all these places, because these are very beautiful, and when you spend the time with your family and friends, it really gives lot of meaning. Even though this trip is not as planned or fun as it used to be, I spent a lot of my time with my immediate family, so it was one of my best holidays ever. I hope you like this video. If you want to see a lot of similar content in my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.